Hi there guys, my name is Nate. Today we are going to unbox Minecraft Dungeons, and yes, there's a part 2. And fun fact, I got this from the source, and guess what it was? Nope, it was not $62, and nope, it was not $53. It was actually $19. So let's unbox it. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of that $19 Fortnite card. How the heck do you open this? There. Yeah, look at that. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Yo, look at that. Check this out, yo, it's Minecraft Dungeons. Oh, check this out. Oh. Okay, let's put it in. Let's put it in. Okay, let's, here's my Nintendo. Let's turn it on. Let's go to home. Gonna pick a game. Oh, A, close, A, let's go back here, and we'll check this out soon. Bye.